What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a great Tuesday. Glad you found your way to my channel and specifically this video. We're going to be breaking down how I capitalized on a falling wedge pattern for significant profits, about a 50% return in the market today. So to start the day, 11:50, I finally signaled that I was watching a setup, and it was this falling wedge. It was visible on the 5 and 10-minute charts. So you can see here at 11:48, I signaled that I was watching it, and it was visible both time frames, and then this was it on the 5-minute chart. Okay. And then I was looking for it to break above the upper trend line of this pattern, find support at the pre-market low here, but it actually broke down and made a lower low, failed to break out. So I got out. I kept a close stop. My stop was around just below that low a day. So I signaled to the team that I was all out for a small loss. You can go to my Instagram, see it on my story, or if you're a member of the Discord, you'll see that I got out for around -8% loss. It was $180. And then I said I'd update if I scale back in calls. So I was going to continue to watch the setup. All right. And then at 12:06, about 20 minutes later, I jumped back in calls, and I noted that not only did we have the falling wedge breakout, but we were testing the lower trend line of a pennant pattern on the 30-minute chart that one of the other admins in our Discord had charted for everyone. So more confluence to give, for that reversal to the upside, confidence in that reversal. All right, and I signaled in the Discord that I had some take profit levels. My TP levels were 526.6, 527, and then the high of day a little bit over that, 527.7 or whatever it was. So I let them know that I was trimming at my first take profit level for 40% return. And then we got to 526.9, I believe it was, very close to my second take profit level. I was tired of watching the market, low volume. I was ready to get out and very content with my profits. So I signaled that I was getting out 50% return. I was able to recover that first initial loss on this setup and finish the day up $1,300 or $1,500. We'll see it on the last slide. So earlier you saw the setup. This was after it broke out. So here was my initial entry, was here in this range here. I was looking for it to break out to the upside. It failed, and we dumped. We had a 3-bar play to the downside, and then 5 candles in a row. The lower wicks were larger than the upper wicks, and buying momentum was continuing to re-enter the market. Bullish MACD cross was setting up. All of that gave me confluence to go long again. So I entered. We broke above the upper trend line, blew through my profit levels, and then that would have been my last one up there. That high a day did not hold for that. Went ahead and took my profits while they were there, and you can see here that was a plus 50% return on the remaining position of that trade, plus 1350 on the day. Take into consideration the 180 I lost, so that trade alone was about plus $1,500. So hope all that was helpful. I'll be dropping a new video soon going into more detail on my indicators and how I use them, so stick around for that, and we'll see you on the next video.